Medical Licensing Board to take action against the doctor who's at the center of an abortion debate.
AG Todd Rokita is asking the board to discipline Dr. Caitlin Bernard for how she handled the case of a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio. Our 13 Investigates reporter Sierra Putman, she's been going through the latest complaint today.
Yeah, Sierra, what does this complaint actually say here?
Well, you know, this actually shows us that the AG is done with his investigation.
Okay.
And he is saying that he actually wants disciplinary action taken against this doctor. And Dr. Bernard's lawyer sent us an email calling this complaint a last-ditch effort to intimidate. Remember, the backdrop to this is a legal fight between these two and how this investigation has been doing. Dr. Caitlin Bernard now faces a complaint from the Attorney General's office targeting her medical license. In the 29-page administrative complaint, Attorney General Todd Rokita is asking the Medical Licensing Board to issue, quote, disciplinary sanctions against Dr. Bernard, arguing she violated HIPAA, state privacy laws, and failed to immediately report suspected child abuse to Indianapolis Police or the Indiana Department of Child Services. It comes 9 days after Dr. Bernard took the stand in hopes of stopping this investigation.
I think that Attorney General Rokita wanted very much to have a filing against Dr. Bernard, however it could appear, before the judge ruled, to make it look like the investigation was complete, that basically the Attorney General's Division of Consumer Protection had found credible evidence, and basically for this to be an answer to Dr. Bernard's lawsuit.
Dr. Bernard drew attention in June after the Indy Star reported she was consulted to help a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio. She reports working with Ohio authorities and said in court that meant there was no need for a duplicate report to IMPD or Indiana DCS. AG Todd Rokita's team says if she notified Indiana authorities, the child may not have gone back to the same home as her alleged rapist. While we now know who the rapist is, his identity was unknown at the time Dr. Bernard provided the child with abortion pills. And today we are also getting a look at the 5 consumer complaints the AG used to launch this investigation. 2 of the complaints are from Indiana residents. The rest are from people from other states, including Kentucky and California. Now, it is notable to note that these people said in their complaints they are getting their information from either social media posts or from news reports. They do not have firsthand knowledge of this doctor actually doing anything wrong.